you're researching a trip to Thailand, perhaps you're going to Koh Samui and you're wondering what to do here, well, this video is for you. Today, I'm going on a sunset boat trip, sort of on a party boat, so come check it out. So today we're being picked up here at Ark Bar, which is right behind me, and it's in the middle of the most popular beach here in Koh Samui. It's called Chaweng Beach. So we're taking a dinghy to get out to the actual catamaran. Whew. Wow. First impression is this is a large boat, so looks like we can have some fun here. My buddy Tom, and he's the guy that helped me set up this cruise, and he is part of actually organizing these cruises. So what can you tell me, how long do these sunset cruises normally last?
We start around 4 p.m. We go from Chaweng Beach. It's a 4-hour trip. The highlight at the trip is it's a sunset. We have DJ on board, we have the bar on board, and we have an all-in package. That means free flow drink.
What about food?
We will have some snacks on board, chips, nuts, fruits.
So what kind of people go on these sunset party cruises?
It's not really a family trip. It's a party boat. It's a sunset party trip. That means the people are from 25 to 55.
Mostly like single people and couples?
Couples, single, yeah. The boat party we do just once a week. It's always on Wednesday.
So a lot of people are wondering how much does a trip like this cost?
Actually, it's not a lot of costs. It's 1,990 baht, the ticket. Then you take the cash bar, or you get the free flow for 2,990 baht.
That's a really good deal. So if you want to book a trip like this, I'm going to put the contact information in the description below. So usually, how many people come on these type of trips?
25 to 60 people. Then we have the full moon party that is once a month. We have the standard price is just go on board. It's 2,990 baht. That's for the full day, full night.
Alright guys, I'm at a sunset cruise here in the middle of the ocean, and it's kind of crazy. So the water is quite warm here actually, like this feels super comfortable. It's been difficult to record me talking to people on the actual boat because it's very loud music there, which is kind of cool, but I can't really speak with people on camera. So I'll try to recap it for you guys. Most people here are like from Switzerland, Germany. It's you know, a lot of Europeans on board this boat, and it's about 25 people. It could be more, but I kind of like this amount of people. It's really good, you know. It feels comfortable hanging out here at the sunset. I think I'm gonna like swim back to the boat now. So hopefully no issues. Made it back. I'm safe. So what are some of the highlights of the route that we're taking?
At the sunset trip, we will pick up the people from Chaweng Beach. That's already a highlight, and you will see the beach from outside. And then we go up to Changmon. We go to the north of the island. We go to the private island of Koh Samui. Then we go to Fisherman Village. Then we go down to W Resort. And at the sunset we drive back and we take a swim at Koh Samui again. That's a private island in Koh Samui.
So some people are wondering about restrooms on this yacht.
Yeah, we have 4 restrooms at that boat. We always separate about ladies' side, men's side.
All right, that's it. The trip just finished. I hope you enjoyed it as much as me. And if you have any questions, please put them in the comments. Thank you so much. By the way, if you're new here, my name is Ray K. I'm a music video director, originally from Norway, but I lived a long time in the US. And right now I'm traveling mostly in Southeast Asia. And if you wanted to join me on this journey of getting to know the amazing cultures here and fantastic nature, I'll be very happy.